Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're tired of seeing messenger calls cluttering your iPhone call log, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the best method to remove those messenger calls from your call log. Let's get started. Open the phone app. This is where you see your recent calls, including those from Messenger. Now scroll through your call log and find the messenger call you want to remove. These calls usually have a small messenger icon next to them. To delete the call, simply swipe left on the call entry and tap the red delete button. This will remove the call from your call log. Once you've deleted the call, double check to make sure it's no longer in your recent calls list, and that's it. The messenger call has been removed. If you want to remove all your recent calls, including messenger calls, here's an alternative motive. Just like before, open the phone app and go to recent tabs. Tap edit in the top right corner and tap on select. And here you can clear all the unnecessary calls. And there you have it, two simple methods to remove messenger calls from your iPhone's call log. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.